Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use TikTok music step by step in iPhone. So first you need to download your TikTok app if you have not. So you need to go to your app store and look out for your TikTok app. On the bottom right there's a search icon we can see. Select that and type down TikTok. Over here tap on the TikTok and here we can see the download icon. Over here tap on the download icon and the TikTok will start downloading. And once you're done you can simply download it from here. And after that, tap on the TikTok app over here and select allow if you want TikTok to send you notifications. But if you do not prefer that, select do not allow. Over here, you can choose what you like, all of your personal choices here. But if you want to skip this on the bottom left, we could see the skip or you tap on the skip. Here over here, what you have to do is simply swipe up to start watching. So simply swipe up on the screen. And it also asks you allow TikTok to track your activity across other companies, apps and website. If you want to allow it, you can tap on the allow, but if you do not want to, select ask app. And once you get to the TikTok for you page on the bottom right, we can see the profile, tap on the profile and here you'll get into this option that says login into existing account. If you have already an account, you can simply select login here and tap on the account that you want to log in. But if you want to add another account, you can do that as well by tapping on the another account. But if you do not have any account, on the bottom you can see there's a sign up, tap on the. So if you have never used TikTok music before, do not worry. So TikTok music is basically the sound or audio that plays in the background of TikTok videos. This can be song, voice, audios, dialogues, original sounds made by creators. So after that, you can simply scroll through your. And when you like a song, look at the bottom of the screen. On the bottom right, you'll see a rotating disc icon or the sound name. Tap on it. And now you'll see the sound name, number of videos using this sound, all videos made with that sound. And this is the best way to find trending music. Or the method 2, you would be using search. And in the top right corner, we could see the search icon. Select that. And you can type the keyword trending sound or viral song or the song name as well. And you can simply search it, and over here you can go to the sound tab, explore music directly. Over here we could see the sound just beside the top like that. And now let's add a music to the video. You can tap the plus icon, create button on the bottom, and at the top add sound. Select the add sound icon there, and you'll see all the recommended songs, your favorites, the recents, and some trendings as well. And once you like a song, you can simply select on one of the song that you and go back. And now the music get added to your video. So once the music get added, the sound plays while you record it. You can lip sync, dance or act. So what you have to do is simply press and hold the record button on the bottom. And you can also record in multiple clips, and after you're done you can simply stop and continue, and TikTok automatically keeps the music synced. And after recording you can select tap adjust clips or edit sound. So simply tap on the edit icon in the right here. Over here you can adjust it. On the bottom there's an option here, you can simply slide it a bit. You can find all of this icon here. You can either edit as well, you can split the video if you want as well, and if you don't like certain parts you can simply split the video or split the sound as well by simply tapping on the sound or either the video. If you want to speed up your video, you can do that as well. Select the speed on the bottom. Over here you can simply select as much by your choice, and after you're done simply go back. You can see tons of options. If you want to crop the video you can do that by tapping on the crop. If you want to put any effects you can do that as well, and if you want to cut out you can do that as well by simply tapping on it, and you will find a lot of icons, choose from it. And this is perfect for tutorials, story times and get ready with me videos. And the next thing is how to change music after recording, and very important, changing music after recording. So many people think once they record a video music cannot be changed, but that's wrong. So here's how you do it. You need to record your video normally. Simply press the icon on the bottom to record it. So over here you need to go to the editing screen. On the top right corner we can see the edited icon, and over here you can simply choose a new song, and on the top we can see there's a song. Simply select that. Over here you'll find enough song, whichever you choose, simply tap on it. And if you want to change the volume as well, on the bottom right we can see the volume. Over here you can simply slide it and how much you want to increase it, and if you want your original sound to be less or more you can do that as well. And after you're done, select done. And if you want to do your own voiceover with the music, on the top right, on the right section we could see there's an editing icon. Tap on the editing icon. Over here select the clip, and over here on the bottom you can see there's a sound icon. Tap on the sound and we'll see there's a voiceover sound effect, or if you want to replace it simply tap on the replace and you'll get another clip to add on. And if you want any sound effects as well you can do that by tapping on the sound effects, and you'll find all of the effects over here. And if you want to do a voiceover by yourself, tap on the voiceover, and here you can simply record your own voiceover on the video. And how to save music for later. And if you like a song but don't want to use it now, you can tap on the sound on the bottom right. Over here you can find add to favorite. I can select that, and now you can simply just add it a sound in your favorites. And to find it, you can later go to your profile on the bottom right. Over here we could see the saved icon right here, select that, and in the post we could see the sounds as well just beside the collections. Tap on the sounds and you'll find all of the favorite sounds over here. And just adding music is not enough. You can use music that fits your video mood, your trends. So the copyright and business accounts. If you have a business account, TikTok limits some music. You see commercial sounds only for normal creators. Personal account get more music access. And if you want more freedom, stick to a personal or creator account. And the next is how to add your own voice with music. So first what you can do is simply record your video. On the bottom there's a plus icon. Do that. Tap on the plus icon here and simply record a video, and by pressing on this icon here. After you're done, you can simply select to tap on edit on the right side. We can see the edit icon. Select the edit icon. Over here on the bottom, you can see tons of icons here. Select the sound. Over here, select the volume and simply adjust your volume. Lower music volume, keep original sound higher. And this is perfect for tutorials, get ready with me videos, story time content, and talking videos as well. If you want to reduce background noise, you can do that as well by selecting the reduce noise icon here on the bottom over here, and the background noises will be reduced. And this is it. And after that, on the top right corner, we can see the post icon. Select that. Over here, if you want to add a description to your video, you can do that as well. If you want to put any hashtags, select the hashtag here and type down any hashtag you want by selecting on this bottom hashtag. And if you want to mention your friend, you can do that as well by selecting on the mention here. And over here we could see if you want to add a link to your video, you can do that as well on the bottom. And if you want your post to be viewed by your friends or just you or the public audience, you can simply select followers can view this post. Over here you can also manage your privacy settings as well. And if you want more options, select to the more options. Over here we could see the tons of options. If you want to allow your comments, you can simply toggle on, which is already toggled on. But if you do not prefer, so you can simply toggle it off over here. And if you want your content to be AI generated, you can also do that by toggling on this icon that says AI generated content. And make sure that you always toggle on this allow high quality uploads. It will higher quality your videos while it get posted. And if you want to control your audience, at the bottom you can see there's an option for audience control. Tap on that audience control and select OK. And this video is limited to those who are just aged 18 years and older. And if you also want to select video language, you can do that as well by selecting to select video language here and select any language from the screen. And this is it. And on the bottom, select post, and you just posted a video of yours by putting music. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you're having trouble using TikTok music, simply comment down below and we will reach out to you.